Okay, so
Yes.
okay, so 0 cases, code blue, and
Yes.
okay, so everything so far everything is good. Okay, so and earlier you were able to talk to a counselor,
Yes.
and she's preparing also in case, just in case, a situation of the coronavirus situation gets there.
Yes. I was talking to one of the counselor of Nuuli Vocational Technical High School earlier this afternoon. So
Mm-hmm.
let's listen in.
As a counselor of Newly Votec, what can you say about the closure of the school?
I believe the closure of the school is a good thing because it helps stop the spread of the disease, and it also protects all of us, the students and the staff as well.
What is the action plan for the student from learning at home?
Well, with the closures of school, the action plan is already in place for the teachers to give the students work packets or communicate with them via social media, email, YouTube, or Google Classroom, any means that they can get in touch with the students. And that should be a good way of keeping track of the students' work and keeping them abreast with school activities as well.
Just in case that there would be a lockdown here in American Samoa, are you prepared with that?
Yes, I am ready. First of all, I think if we just take the precautionary measures of buying what we really need, we'll be okay. Okay.
Okay. Do you have any message to your family, especially in Hawaii?
Yes, my message is to be safe, take care, practice good hygiene, stay at home, spend time with the family, and don't be up and about. That's the best way to protect yourself from the disease as well.
All right. So, Arian, how obedient has the local population been with the COVID-19 guidelines set by the government?
Since today, not today because it's already early in the morning. It was
Yeah.
yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah. As I go around yesterday, and then there's not too much people going to the store, and actually I didn't see much of the, because even though the small store, or I can say it like a mall over here, not too many people going there. I mean, they are preparing for this COVID-19 because this is a very tiny island. We only have, as of 2010, we only have like about 55,000 of population. So they are following strictly what is the government imposing to the public.
So, what measures again has your government undertaken to lessen the or to stop or halt the spread of the virus?
For the code blue, that is now on effect, social distancing, it's always been reminded to the public about the etiquette for coughing and the sneezing, and also 10 or more gatherings is not permitted. And also with the regulation, I mean, with the new declaration that he had last Friday, that all schools, public school, private and public, including daycare, American Samoa Community College will be shut down for the next 30 days or until further notice. And just earlier, this afternoon, it has been said that all ASG employee will work 4 days a week and 10 hours a day. And then the school official make an announcement that the teachers are not part of it. Instead, all teachers will work from home, and the teachers has been released early this afternoon, American Samoa Standard Time, so that teachers have more time to get in touch with the student, even though they are just at home, using the new technology that we have here, utilizing it productively.
Okay. So, hospitals over there, I'm not very familiar. How is your government taking care of health workers at the front line?
Yes, as of now, a hospital is not able to cater just in case we're going to have, because first of all, we don't have the test kit, and
Okay.
American Samoa is not part of the list for the distribution yet. But hopefully, we are hoping that we can get the test kit so we are able to test. But despite of that, the Department of Health and all the frontliners here are just taking samples and send it to Hawaii via telecommunication.
All right. Okay, thank you so much. Curfews, have there been curfews implemented there like here in the Philippines?
Um, we only have we are only allowed to go to the store 6 a.m. in the morning until 6 p.m. in the evening.
Okay, enough food,
And
enough, yeah.
mhm. Go
And
ahead. I'm sorry.
is there
No,
enough food?
additional for this one.
Yes, yes, go
No,
ahead, go ahead.
sorry. No, it's just additional.
Go ahead.
Additional for update
Yeah,
that uh, Hawaiian Airline has been canceled their flight this evening of Monday, so
okay.
that the VA, or the Veterans Affairs, is preparing, or they are preparing that site to be the quarantine site that it can cater like about 50, because it's now a subject that U.S. national or any returnee resident in American Samoa will go to 14-day quarantine.
How about food? Is there enough food available at the markets?
Um, so far, medyo it's getting it's getting low.
Oh,
So we are still waiting for the next shipment of food, especially the water. I went to one of the store here, one of the wholesale, and I asked them if there's, because it's almost empty. So they only have 4 containers left of essentials and water, sanitary essentials, and some food items. So we don't know yet when will the boat will come, but hopefully it will be soon.
all right. Okay, you take care of yourself, Ariane, and thank you for all that updates. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.
Thank you, and ingat din kayo dyan. Always pray. This is Ariane Torres from American Samoa. Eagle News. We live in interesting times.